pa po natin papayagan na may parusang kamatayan? Sobrang baba ng dignidad.
Ladies and gentlemen, our three distinguished speakers that will be giving their opening remarks.
Can you give yourselves a hand for coming today, kayo mga estudyante?
Namely, personal, pragmatic, and ideological interests.
So, this day is jam-packed with very substantial presentations.
Many of us have been victims of greater injuries such as assault, abuse, rape, or death of a spouse or a loved one, or violent crime. Our suffering is real.
Headed by Commissioner Karen Gomez-Donquil.
RA 9346, an act prohibiting the imposition of the death penalty in the Philippines, was signed by the President.
Promote a culture of life and respect for human dignity. To this, we must continue to say no to the reimposition of death penalty.
They believe that it's mukhang crime, that you're not doing anything wrong, then you should not be afraid. Another reason is that it's to prove our justice system's credibility.
Ano ba talaga ang dapat pagtuunan ng pansin sa usaping death penalty? Ang kapakanan ba ng mga biktima at pamilya nila? O kapalaran ba ng mga bumibiktima?
Hindi na po nadadaan sa santong paspasan ay santong dasalan ang pagkuha ng justice. Rather, nakukuha na po daw yata sa santong paspasan.
Alam niyo ba kung anong porsyento ng national budget na napupunta sa justice system? 2%.
So how can you justify po na the death penalty is anti-poor? Yun nga po, kung karamihan ng population natin is lahat nga mahihirap.
Bakit hindi namimili na lantas ng iyong kabuhayan? Regardless of who you are, where you are, or what you are, the law should be applied to everyone equally.
So why are we solidly against the death penalty? The church teaches in the light of the gospel that the death penalty is inadmissible.
Nakita ko po, kinakalbo na po siya. So hindi ko po naiintindihan. Akala ko po, noong oras na yun, hindi tayo na siya. Grabe, bugbog na bugbog po ang dignidad ng pamilya po namin.
Respect for all human life and opposition to the violence in our society are reasons why we in the academy reject the death penalty.
In the Philippines, the history of the death penalty swings like a pendulum.
It hurts to the core, the reason the death of her mother, notwithstanding the way she was, she died. Hindi pa rin nagbago ang position ko. I'm still against death penalty. Doon sa assailant ng mother namin.
The reason for abolishing death penalty in the first place that we want to uphold the right to life.
Pero siguro po yung mga present dito ngayon, 100% na magsasign sa ating petition and commitment against the revival of the death penalty. And may I cordially request our commissioners to lead the signing of the petition.
would like to thank the youth, yung mga millennials natin, maraming pong salamat sa inyong lahat. You have the power. You have the power to communicate. So communicate the message well, communicate the right to life well.